can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be.
Right, heart digging in Lincolnshire today, and it's raining a bit, it's a bit cold, less wind than yesterday, and first signal here, a piece of bronze near a sand quarry. So, see what we get up today. See in a bit. Another piece of lead. Carry on. Hey, wind's picking up a bit. Distant gunshot. First button at day, just here. I think that's brilliant. So I've got shank on back, smooth at front. Hey, see in a bit. Hey, all just here, give me a nice signal. I thought this has got to be a coin now. And it was. It's George V, halfpenny. Nice condition. Lovely patina on it. See if I can see a year on it. It's 1922. Lovely stuff. Right, carry on, see what else I can get. Right, signal just here. Give me a nice tone. Never guess what it is. Here, it's a button. 4-hole button. Right, carry on. Right, a signal here, it right tiny, so I'm guessing it would have been on its side. And it's a coin, old 10 pence, 1973. It were up like that when I pulled it out, like that. So that's why it will give me a tiny signal. Nice one, happy with that. Always orange these, Cooper nickel. Right, carry on, see you in a bit. And finest here, just a plain button. Right, carry on. Right, somebody's just had a Roman coin not far from where I'm stood. One of them would be nice. I just said this here, and look, little lead horse, complete with headless man on top. It'd be nice that when I've cleaned that up. Nice one, happy with that. Hey, just trying to make my way to this edge bottom to dispose all of this. Looks like I've got Stern Titanic in my pouch. Hey, see you in a bit. Right, signal just down here. And a little, keep getting these, little ring shaped piece of bronze. Right, keep going, see you in a bit. Right, just had a signal here. Oh, a little tiny signal. What's that look? What's that? But look, it's still got its pin on the back. Still works. That's cool. Not sure what that could have been. With a brooch or hair clip or something. That's cool, that. Still works. Like a clasp. Nice one. Put that in my little box. Right, see you in a bit. Right, so you can only look at this rain, it's absolutely piling it down now. I'm getting wet through. And I just had a spoon handle. It's alright, innit? Somebody's eating endo. They're notching it. High spoon 10. Right. See you in a bit. It's absolutely pouring down. Everybody's gone. Me and Andy. Here, look. We're trying to find some Roman coins. We're absolutely drenched at bone. But we will get one. Right, see you in a bit.